Good morning! Another day, another 6K! So, time check 4:27 ang agaga natin. Pero kailangan kasi may pupuntahan tayo mamaya. Mga maaga din. Punta tayo ng Green Hills. So, let's go! Mamaya ulit. Okay, dito na tayo sa ating starting point. Happy Sunday and run, run, run! Run, run na tayo! Run, run, run! Pero, inaantok pa talaga ako. So, baka hindi tayo mag-speedrun. Dapat kasi every Sunday, speedrun tayo. Pero ngayon hindi. Chill lang.
Lap 1. Lap pace 5 minutes 37 seconds. Total 1. Lap 2. Lap pace 6 minutes 4 seconds. Total 2 kilometers. Halfway point reached. Lap 3. Lap duration 5 minutes 24 seconds. Lap pace 5 minutes 20. Lap 4. Lap pace 5 minutes 36 seconds. Total 4 kilometers. 22 minutes 41 seconds. Lap 5. Lap pace 5 minutes 21 seconds. Total 5. Target reached. Lap 6. Lap duration 4 minutes 24 seconds. Lap pace 4 minutes 24 seconds. Distance 6 kilometers. Duration 32 minutes 26 seconds.
Congrats! Nabit ulit natin yung record hapon. Circle ulit tayo. Another 6K ulit ang ating na-unlock. So, pang 4th na pa to. 15 day na natin ngayon. So, kalahin mo yun. Consistent, sakit talaga. Kailangan natin umuwi ngayon kasi punta ako ng Green Hills. So, magpapakabait muna tayo today.